Imagine this. You are constantly dreaming of nature, living in direct contact with untouched wilderness, making the African bushveld your office, where you will be surrounded by animals day in and day out. When nature calls, it's quite impossible not to react. Breathing in the crisp, cool air as the sun rises on a winter morning. Feeling the dust on your skin as you take a walk in the untamed and wild open spaces. Smelling the campfire at night as you reminisce about the day that just passed. Listening to the elephants outside your tent as you bid the day farewell and experiencing life to the absolute fullest.
You will become a qualified vehicle-based guide in dangerous and non-dangerous game areas. You will here have the opportunity to work side by side with professional staff and management to develop the newly acquired skills. This will help you to go into substantial practical working experience before you take your first steps as a professional field guide. So imagine this, you are constantly in nature, living in direct contact with the untouched wilderness. The African bushveld is your office. You are surrounded by animals day in and day out. And now you can call it home.